Awesome.
Are we going to be getting out of the pod? Okay. Wait right here, Supreme Leader will come get you when he's ready. The pod will go on the very far wall over there, okay?
That was quick.
I hope you're not concealing something from me. Or someone join me.
So we're going to have this facing the door over there. Just get rid of some of that large screen as you can. Wait right there, we'll be right with you.
Thanks. Pretty exciting. Spooky though. Spooky but cool. Can't wait. That was quick.
Boxer. Number one, you want to join Kylo Ren?
This little kid scared.
The Supreme Leader will come get you when he's ready for you.
Okay. Pretty cool.
Travel well.
You stop.
Do you want me to take that for you?
Oh, you mind recording me?
Yeah, I can record for you.
Oh, thanks. It's already recording.
Gotcha.
Stay close.
Young ones, we're going to stay behind that line. We are not going to pass it until Supreme Leader comes to get you.
You embrace the First Order or the Resistance. Choose your fate. Join us. Or take the side that is already lost. Very well.
Look right over here. Scan's complete.
Thank you for volunteering to serve the First Order. We will crush the Resistance.
Here you go, sir. You'll scan your band just outside the door.
All right, thank you. All right. Pretty cool. I'll take a scan right here. That's cool. Definitely different from last time. Okay, that was the Kylo Ren meet and greet, and that was only a few minutes. Awesome. Alright, let's head into the next one. Here's another one of those like display pieces. That's Rey and her speeder. There's a little bit of information about it. Just did the Kylo Ren meet and greet. I'm going to do the BB-8 next because that one is usually the shortest. You know, Kylo Ren was super short. Here it is. BB-8, and then I'll do Chewie, which is usually the longest, and it is the longest line today. Awesome. Oh, thanks.
Okay, it's about a 5-minute wait for BB-8.
Thank you. It's only a 5-minute wait for BB-8.
This is just you?
Yeah, this one.
Alright. And how many back here?
Oh, thanks. Thank you.
Right this way. BB-8's ready to say hi.
Yeah,
I know. Look at that.
pretty cool.
Come a long way over here. BB wants to know where you're visiting from.
Oh, I live in Center Florida.
Oh, okay.
Hey.
Hi. I know. That guy does look a little scary on his shirt right there. What is his name?
That's Batman.
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 I know. He looks like almost kind of like Darth Vader. He's not like a Darth Vader guy, right? He's not a bad guy.
He's a good guy.
He's a good guy? Oh, there we go. Just like you, BB. Alright, friends. Oh, they guys probably got together. I want you to have a band.
There you go.
Well, thank you.
Yeah, no worries.
Oh,
Hi.
hi. That was cool. And very short, see? Awesome. Okay. Now I'm gonna, this is where you can enter into more displays and into the gift shop. I'm gonna head back and do the last meet and greet. This one will be a little bit of a wait, not too bad. Oh, in case you're wondering, none of the Star Wars characters sign autographs. Just to let you know. They probably could have him do it, but I think it's just because it would add a lot more to the line, longer, and supposedly one of the cast members told me once, well, since this is like in a futuristic society, they don't use pen and paper anymore, it's all electronic.
So I didn't realize.
Kind of makes sense, but I think they just use it so not slow things down. Look at some of these sweet lightsabers. Ezra, Bridger, Yoda, Luke Skywalker, and Ahsoka Tano, Mace Windu, and Obi-Wan Kenobi. Pretty cool. They have all these cool things for you to look at when you're in line, just walking around here at Star Wars Launch Bay. Just love this area. Thanks.
Stand over here, ma'am. Thank you. I'll have you keep moving side by side, please. I'll have you wrap around the corner. Side by side, actually, this way. It's hard. I have to figure out the right words. But everybody does. Nobody listens. I get it. Come through it, so I'll have you scoop just a little bit more so I can close this door behind you.
Chewbacca, I like the dye there in her hair. What do you think about doing that for you, maybe? You know, actually thinking about it, it would be kind of hard to like make it kind of incognito and hide. We're probably thinking about maybe not doing it. What if we dye the layers, the forward hair? That way we can see them, because sometimes they get lost very easily. We'll have to try to figure out a way to get them to let us do that. If I see those creatures. Okay. Goodbye, travelers. May the force be with you.
Alright, how about you stand right up here?
Hey, nice to meet you. Pretty cool.
Line, please. Stand on, like, yeah.
Yeah.
Stand side by side.
A little nervous.
Nice to see you. Thank you. Hi. Hi. That was pretty cool. Bye-bye. Pretty awesome. That showed okay. Here we go again. There, it beeped green, so that means I got it. That is awesome. Alright, let's on and show some of the other stuff, huh?